I got a steel leader on there, so. And like the drag is loose, but it's fairly tight. Like enough. Because the current's not taking it. He's moving back out this way right now. Has been a minute though since that bell went off. It is a little bent. It's sat in the back of the car a few years with it. Yeah. Yeah, he's still there. He's pulling line. Take most of that spool. Yeah. A little bit. Oh yeah, he's on. Oh, he just let it go. Fuck, that was a tank. Fuck. I didn't get the hook out. I thought I set it hard enough. Yeah. Dude, he was heavy. I couldn't even get him to come up. Like, I couldn't even get a visual of him.
Whoa, that hummingbird just came up. Wanted some of it. Alright, we're looking for him. Put this.
Logan, you might have to really rod him. Like, quick. He's coming right up towards yours.
Oh, I thought that was yours. Whitey? Yeah. Probably like a 3.
Oh, it's a big trout.
There's a brown. Did not the other day. Nothing wanted to touch the heads.
Oh, they were.
No. Wash it off again. You got it this time. Plus I've got video of it, so we're good. There, hold it up from there. Hell yeah, buddy. Awesome. Awesome.